the cauliflower dish. Looks great, beautiful colors, tastes good. Cashew nuts, the pine nuts, roasted peppers, and cauliflower. We're going to first start by grating some of the cauliflower. The rest we're going to keep them as florets. So we're going to roast this after we're done. So I'm just grating some of this cauliflower. Thank you for joining me. I'm using the large grater. How it looks like. We adopt other recipes and make it into our own. And that's okay too. I've done grating some of my cauliflower. I'm now going to cut my onion very, very small. So I'm slicing my So in goes my onion on top of my cauliflower. My pine nuts and cashew nuts are on the stove. I'm going to check on them because you do not want to burn them. And you can put fresh roasted peppers. So the roasted peppers, you can either take it from a glass jar or you can take red peppers and roast them in the oven. Take about a half a cup. I'm going to cut them a little smaller. I like mine diced. So I'm going to take my red first roasted peppers and cut them a little bit smaller. That should be enough. It also will give you a nice color with the white onion and the white cauliflower. The red will bring out. My nuts are ready. You just put them in a pan with nothing in it. No oil or nothing like that. Just the nuts. You put them in the cauliflower. So now I have my nuts in there. I'm going to put my cut up already parsley. And I'm going to put a little bit of cumin, pepper, black pepper, a little bit of salt, a little bit of lemon juice, tablespoon. But because this is dry mint, I'm only going to put like half a teaspoon of mint. And last but not least, my pomegranate sauce. I use this also for a very good dressing I make for salads. Sesame dressing. It's on my channel in YouTube. You can look it up. It's a very good dressing. This is the dish. It's going to be roasted for about 20 minutes in a 400-degree oven. This is how it looks before I'm going to stir it. I'm going to get my glove. Oh, olive oil. You're going to put your olive oil in there. Olive oil. We've got our olive oil in there now. Now this is the dish that I'm going to mix it all up and put it in the roasted pan. I'm going to put on my gloves. Cauliflower in here, I have my onion, I have my pine nuts, cashew nuts, I have my roasted peppers in here, I have cumin, black pepper, salt, pomegranate sauce, a little bit of mint and parsley, and some lemon juice. I think I have nothing in here. Olive oil. So I mix all the dish just like this before roasting. I'm going to place it on my pan. Make sure that it's mixed very well and evenly. We also grated the cauliflower. So we grated some of the cauliflower and we left some whole. So this is how it looks before it goes into the oven. I'm going to put it into my 400-degree